Hello, today we will be creating a configuration page for a Twitch bot. In most cases, values such as the server port, timeout value and WebSocket URLs are hard-coded into the application. We want to be able to change these settings without interrupting the user and without having to edit any code. In this video, we will create a basic web application using the Node.js standard library. This application will be able to change configuration values. Then, we will implement an event-driven architecture using Node events, so that the server applies all changes made. We implement two new routes, a get route to display the current configuration and a post route to update it. The server will now listen for these requests. When a user navigates to /configuration, we'll show them an HTML form with the current settings. When the user submits the form, an HTTP post call is sent to the configuration endpoint, and the server receives the new settings and updates the Twitch_environment variables. These variables hold the configuration state for the application. To make the application more robust, we introduce a service container. This allows us to manage our services, like the server and configuration loader, in a clean and organized way. Next, we need to handle our application's environment variables. These are sensitive pieces of information like API keys and secrets that we don't want to hardcode in our application. We define the Twitch_environment object, which will hold all our Twitch-related settings, such as the client ID and secret. This object is populated from the system's environment variables. The configuration page we just created will read from and write to this Twitch_environment variable, ensuring our settings are always in sync. When the configuration is updated, a configured event is emitted to notify other parts of the application. With the server and environment in place, it's time to build the core of our configuration management system. We create a new module, configuration.mts, which will house the configuration loader. This loader is an event emitter, a powerful pattern that allows different parts of our application to communicate without being directly coupled. It will have two main responsibilities: loading and saving configurations. A new configuration, the configuration loader emits a save event. Main.mts is listening for this event and, upon receiving it, will gracefully restart the server. This is done by first closing the existing server and WebSocket connections to prevent any disruptions. We also add a worker module to get and set environment data in node worker_threads. And there you have it. A fully functional, event-driven configuration page that allows for easy updates and automatically restarts the application to apply the new settings.